I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I didn't need to do this. There's a short for this already on the channel, but I had created a YouTube thumbnail for this, assuming that I'd be able to use it as the thumbnail for the short, and I guess you can't unless I'm missing something. Brand new to this, guys, sorry. But I really liked it. I liked the thumbnail, so I'm uploading this as a video so that I can use it. Forgive me. But I mean, really, green seasoning is green seasoning. As long as it's got some green in there, I really don't see any rules for this. You got some acid, you got some aromatics, some fresh stuff, whatever you got lying around. Just experiment with the flavor profiles, add the stuff you like, and you can use it to season meats and make marinades and in your stocks, anything like that. Just have fun, you know. Enjoy.